Welcome back to the channel where you get a little of everything Jamaican. I'm Michelle and thank you so much for your continued support. Now today we are at Mas Unel's. We would have done a video with Mas Unel already in which we would have spoken to him about a number of things. So today we are here just to do a follow-up to see how he's doing, you know, the progress he would have made since we last spoke to him. But before we get into the video, guys, I'm just gonna ask you to please go over to these two channels, T-Drive Vivo and the Hotspot channel. Please go over, show some love and support, like, share and subscribe, and let them know a little Everything Jamaican sent you. Now, please also remember to like, share and subscribe and to hit the post notification bell so once we upload a new video you will be notified. So let's go talk with Mas Unel. Mas Unel.
Oh, Sister Me.
Yes, morning. How you do?
Not bad.
Okay. Oh, you have two dogs on the veranda with you this morning.
They left me out, man.
They left you out?
Yeah.
Okay. So, what the viewers and subscribers may not have seen yet, because we would have, when we came earlier, would have assisted Mas Unel to do a little sweeping. So he was sweeping, he's sweeping with a mop, but we are going to be getting you a broom shortly. In fact, today. And the mats that you took out from the room, they're old and there are a lot of them because they're small. So we're going to see if we can find you two mats, bigger ones that can go on the floor so you can throw these out. Right. So we'll do that today. Hopefully we can get to the store and get them for you, Mas Unel. So you can have them. Yeah, so we're gonna try and do that before you, because we don't want to mess up your appointment for your crusade, you know. Because we know you leave here about what time? 5:30? All right, so if we do that really quick and come back.
Oh, I'm more than grateful, man. More than grateful.
No problem, Mas Unel. You're welcome always.
You see, the thing is this, I only want to say thanks. The greatest thanks, sometimes, enough time people do something for you and you tell them thanks, but to the action, show something different. But me want me action, me want me ways about everything to show how thankful me be.
We know you're grateful, Mas Unel. We know you're grateful. And we were happy that we were able to help. We're happy that we were able to highlight your story so that, you know, the world could see you and reach out to you, and we have achieved that. So we are grateful. And as I said before, you know, big up to Mr. Banton, to Miss Phyllis, you said, and to Mr. Morris. Big up and thank you so much, you know, for your efforts. It's greatly appreciated.
And the name is Blossom again. Send credit, come give
Miss Blossom. Big up yourself, Miss Blossom. Thank you so much. And I know you appreciate it, Mas Unel. You talk to Mr. Banton every day?
Yeah, man.
Okay, that's awesome. And Mr. Banton is overseas. Right. But he calls to check on you every day. That's wonderful. And
Mr. Morris too.
Mr. Morris as well. So you're not lonely, Mas Unel. You're not short of company right now. That's why sometimes when I call him, I get you because you're there on the phone.
And Miss Phyllis, they will then check for me. We don't know them in person, but we move as one.
The next thing we have to go get your secretary to answer those phone calls for you, you know, with Mas Unel. Because when I'm calling sometimes I can't get Mas Unel. The line is busy, but that's wonderful and that's awesome. So now you know you're not alone.
I have quite a few friends who still call, we say them are going to do something, so if God so move up on their heart, you ask them to still help me. In whatever way they can.
Yes, Mas Unel. All right, so you say you're going to wipe the veranda today too?
Me wipe off the wipe out in there, then me wipe it. But me wipe off all my window this already.
Oh, so you were washing.
Yeah.
You're cleaning the floor and sweeping and all of that, and clean window too.
Yeah, I mean wipe off my speaker box and everything.
So you're doing a whole spring cleaning type of thing, Mas Unel.
Yeah, man.
That's awesome. All right, so you're not gonna put in back these mats today, then?
No, maybe the thick piece, me only put your doorway now that me are going.
Okay. So you want you want mats to go in the room, and you want a mat at the door.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. And you need a broom.
Yeah. Oh God, me give thanks, man. Me give thanks and unexplainable thanks.
Yes. No problem, Mas Unel. So we're gonna help you Faye, just clean the veranda before we go, and then we'll go get the mats and the broom and a mop. Maybe you want to mop to Mas Unel?
No, me have this map. Me not think anything wrong.
You not think nothing wrong with it?
Yet.
Oh, yet.
Yet.
Okay.
And no, the map kind of new.
Okay. So we get you the broom then and the
but the broom I mash up my feet stick me put on the mat.
Okay. Oh, so you put on the stick for me?
Yeah, man.
Oh, so for what about this, Mas Unel?
My own.
You go a bush?
I used to go a bush but a long time no me no.
Oh, so you just use it to walk around in the yard?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, Mas Unel, clean windows and everything. And put up settee on bed and a clean. Yes. So Mas Unel, when we come with the broom, we can maybe sweep it really good for you because the mop kind of hard, can't really do sweeping.
Yes.
Yeah.
And to most when time you wipe out the house, I hit me using it to all that dry, so you find say you kind of hold it dust.
Yes. Okay.
So last night we hear the phone ring, me just come in for a meeting, and take off my clothes and lay down, me hear the phone ring. I never recognize the voice same time.
Oh, when I was calling you. Yes. Yes, I understand though. I understand because you're not seeing who is calling, so you have to listen to the voice. Yes, man.
And so far, me big up everyone else, but somebody still left out. Me want to big up the video ladies, Michelle and Brother Zelly. Can't lift them out of the park.
Yes.
There is the one that helped me to reach this far. So may God continue to bless them.
Yes. No problem, Mas Unel, no problem.
All right, Papa.
Yeah, man.
Just gonna show me face, you know?
Yes, man.
No problem, Mas Unel. You are always welcome.
Yeah, man.
Yes. Yes, so Mas Unel, I wanted to share with us what you were saying about the church. When you were at the church.
2018, 2018. I played at a crusade. And when me and this girl, we go up by church. So when we go by church now, the door never open yet. So she said to me, say, she'll go back down to the pastor yard, go get the key. So she said, if you come. So I tell her, I said, me stay till you come, man. She said, no, she not leave me one up there for a night. So I said, me and the dopey them will stay here till you come, man. Alright, when she gone, I was about 5 minutes after she gone. Me wait for a big bearing going up there.
Yes.
Me way out yonder, me boof, chuk. And every 2 steps there's something making shake it chain.
Oh my God.
And the place a shake, just like an earthquake. And one night time one little fear when I come over me, but me said them but me don't talk, say me end up with them stay here till so till sickness walk and two shake, every step two shake I chain and till he reach out right out, he come right side of me.
Yes.
And when the something come right, me realize, say that turn back. Say that turn back, me say, then where you turn back, I go, remember, say, me company, you come pick you know.
Lord have mercy. So how you know, say, my turn back, or
no,
it a turn back?
Me hear, say, I go way back from me, no.
Oh, the sound going, okay.
I go back, same place, the same direction where I come from. So me say, oh, you go in my company, and me sit down there, same way, so right under the belfry, so till it go out there, so till me not hear it and no more. So when the pastor then come at me, I tell them about it. They must say to me, say, actually, you can't see it, make you not run. So me tell them, say, to how far me hear that come. Even if me not walk, me could have enough time to go away from it. But me say, me not afraid.
Yes, yes. So, you know, it wouldn't bother run. But if you were to run, you'd get away.
Yeah, man.
So you sure say Adopi Mas, you know?
Adopi, man.
Adopi? Oh, okay.
So every step is something, step in shaky place. Come like say I do a decking place here.
Yeah. Okay,
That
wow.
sounds scary. If I were there to a little afraid, me not come over, me just take my mind off of it.
Yes.
Anything else.
So you ever have any other encounters like that one?
Yes, well, one night I come from down, the time I come from, a long time this one now. I come from down the road and down a Bruce I come from to, and it happened that when we reach right up near the corner there, me and one dopey head on the corner there, man. Me say when me look up in him, me say it's cold and soft. Cold and soft, brother. Me say, man, chop too bad though, that time me used to cause.
Oh, so that was before you were a Christian?
Yes.
Oh. So what happened after that?
And same as how me cause, not there before me again.
Lord have mercy, gone.
I say I make 2 steps to come over here.
You were trying to run this time around. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, man. So, no, a lot and lots of little experience, but.
Wow. So, Mas Unel, in terms of your washing though, how do you know when the clothes clean?
I use what me feeling, smelling, and to me when time I wash, it was have a different feeling to me. I don't know. Maybe because I can't see why me develop that sense of feeling there.
Yes.
And each time I wash and people come and say, I know you wash the clothes, man, for the clothes them clean.
Then clean.
Yeah, man.
Yes, because even though you not see them, you just use the feeling and the smelling to determine when it's clean.
Yeah, man.
Wow. We're going to go around there in a little while and check on them.
Yeah.
We'll see how you're going this morning. So, Mas Unel, when you wash everything in the day, because what you have around there?
I wash 2 suit of church clothes, 2 suit of judging clothes, and 3 sheets. Yeah, man.
Okay, so every week that's your routine?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah. You just wash your sheets. So you wash your sheets every week too?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So you're very clean and tidy, Mas Unel.
You know, say me like me properly hygiene and beard up myself properly. Many time me take off all my shirt and people see me skin them and say, then I whole beard. Me say I beard myself.
Lord G, them admire you, Mas Unel.
I say I beard myself, man. I trim my head myself.
Yes. So are you trim your head now?
Yeah, man.
I mean your hair. Are you trim your hair?
Yeah, man.
Oh, wow.
Shave up my face and do every little thing.
But Mas Unel are really talented, you know, because there's no limit to the number of things that you do.
Yeah, man.
You trim, you wash.
Sharpen and mash it. Somebody carry it to mash it, come give me a sharpen and give me $500.
Yes. And you clean and you chop grass out there,
man.
so.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, because you were saying earlier that you were chopping grass in that house over there because there was a tree there. Yeah. So you chop it down, you burn it?
Yeah, no, my sister burn it.
Okay.
Chop it down, be afraid of lizard and sometimes green lizard didn't, but I'm not afraid of them.
Yes. Oh, you're not afraid of green lizard?
Afraid of green lizard, me hold them.
Yeah.
I told me can't see now, but when me could ask me hold them with me hand.
Yeah. Wow. You're not afraid of nothing, Mass Unel?
The last time, me put me hand on one and never realized. I me put me hand and realized, but me nobody let him go.
You just hold him?
Take him up and hold him. When me I smell him, so me clan pa me nose with the foot.
Are you serious?
I mean, the jam off and take one of me and hold up yourself one hold long and this pop him into and fling piece out this.
Lord help me. So Miss Matthew then enough to play with you, know? The green lizard?
Give me fan in my room there, me put up in myself.
Me know so you're skillful like that because here I am listing out the number of things that you do.
Yeah.
Whenever I remember that from the first video you mentioned that you do certain electrical work.
Yeah, extension and something.
Yes, you set up your music. At home you set up the music at church too for crusade or you have it set up for you?
They have the brother them deal with him the audio business in the church.
Oh, okay. So they do that for you?
Yeah.
Okay. But Mas Unel, even with the crusade though that you mentioned you're playing for online, I don't know if I've ever heard of a setup where the event is somewhere else and the musician is somewhere else. How does that work?
Yeah, man, if I see you know what I say it now. Same like this, same way you hear it. Sound powerful I see way wherever them hear it same way, you know.
Yes.
Yeah, so we really play down at church you know and the alright, we still have singer down at church, but wherever they go on, they must sing off our music just the same.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Wow, that is awesome. Awesome. And it's the first time you're doing something like this, right?
Yeah. Well, a Sabbath date, every Sabbath, the service go online, so people foreign all about. As long as you click Pike SDA, you don't know what again you use.
Yes.
You can't get it.
Yeah. But in this setup though, you're actually in Pike playing the music for the crusade that is at Mandeville NCU. Yeah. Yeah, wow.
Technology, man.
Yes, technology.
And who did they see me same way?
Yes.
Yeah, man, for they are the camera them in a church.
Yeah, yeah. So how you feel about that, Mas Unel, knowing that
good, man.
you feel good?
Feel good, man.
Yes.
Feel good knowing that. My turntable, I may have a couple well LP record. The turntable now. No, I don't know what wrong with it. Something, you must want something, you know.
Oh, so you have the record, but the turntable not working?
Yeah.
What do you mean by LP record?
Yeah, well, the LP, they know it's an album. And the album now hold 20 songs.
Oh.
And one side of the record, you have 10 songs, and the next side, you have 10.
Okay,
So when you hear them start about an album, 20 music make an album.
Okay. Even now or just for the record?
Yeah, even now.
Even now.
Yes,
So once you hear
songs.
album, it's 20 songs.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm learning something new. I didn't know that. Okay, so you said the turntable not working, but you have records.
Yeah, a couple good record, yeah. Good sound, some good old time. Keita, Enid, them and all of them.
Yeah.
Elvis Presley and all of them.
Elvis Presley?
Yeah, man. I want to big up Mr. Banton again. And I want to big up Mr. Morris, Phyllis, Nelson, Blossom.
Wow.
And all, even those who still make promise and still don't do anything, we still have big up and ask God to still show mercy and allow His blessing to always be with them, and pray that whatsoever they do may be prosper, and the first thing God may have is first say in their life, and continue to lead them.
Awesome. So we too
And also my good friend, Brother Zelly, Mr. Michelle. Can't leave you out for do something great for me. Because of this man, me feel even better than before.
Yeah. Not a problem, as Unel. It's our pleasure, you know? Yes, it's our pleasure. And we also, from Likkle, Everything Jamaican, want to express gratitude to all the persons who would have reached out to Mas Unel. Mr. Banton, Mr. Morris, Miss Phyllis, Miss Blossom. Have I left out anybody, Mas Unel? Because there's a lot of names you call.
Yes. Well, other people still make promise, but
and so we're going to just say, and everybody else who would have reached out to Mas Unel, a big thank you. We really appreciate it, and Mas Unel appreciates it as well. These carpet to say you want. The thick one is which one? I feel if you know which one thick.
Yeah.
Oh.
Like, let me put this side door now where you can't come in and wipe my foot pan here.
Okay. All right, so you go use that the one day. But Mas Unel, if when we go, we are able to get you one of these. That means you can dash with all of them because they're all.
So I'll just put back one I take one this also till when we come back.
Just until we come back, but then you can throw away everything. So we're gonna leave, go to that, and see if we can get back in time, because like I said, I know you have to go to crusade. And we don't want you to be late. Right, so we're going to do that and see if we can get back in time, so you have the mat. Then you can throw these out. And you have the broom, so you can probably sweep out better before.
Yeah, man.
All right. There's a phone card in the door. Oh, for God's sake. Yeah. All right, so maybe we can try this store up here, so.
Camera. Yeah, big up.
Oh, the store has changed. This look big. This would do. You'd have to probably get 2 pieces.
You want something you can manage.
As in what?
Not too big.
Oh yeah, that too. So I better me probably get 2 of these sizes, but the front is a bit bigger. Let me see. Same size. All of these are the same size. These are very big, maybe too big. Too big for this space. This is too big. Oh, get the plastic to cover the carpet. This one would be too big.
You think so?
I think so.
Pull it out.
This is the size. Oh, hold on.
Too big. One would work.
So we get one big one.
One big one would be nice. Instead of you have this piece where slide all over the place.
I think this is a little bit too pretty though.
Yeah, we can. If I dark this one doing
You want something male-ish. But oh, so these are both the same.
size.
No, in terms of the pattern.
Yeah, only two so that have a darker color.
This one have darker color?
That one is the brown. The dark brown. Yes, sir.
Oh, but here's a brighter than here. Let me find out how much for this. How much for this?
4,038.
4,000?
What's this one?
These.
That is for 1260. I have some longer one on that for 18.
Some longer ones than these? May I see them, please? But it has the same width?
Yeah.
Oh. 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 Yeah. Yeah. So it's either 2 of these or 1 of this.
Alright, get 2 of that. Because maybe the one I go hard to manage
Mm-hmm.
in terms of cleaning and stuff.
But and this is thicker. Because
Yeah, so it's hard to deal with. Maybe when to wash or something.
this you can wash
Tell the
this.
plastic to cover it.
This is light, you know.
Different colors. Yeah, darling.
You have different color. Yes, I want a male looking color, a darker color.
You need dark brown.
Yeah.
Yes, please. Give me 2 of them.
Two different type brown.
Oh, it's 2 different types. You don't have 2 of the same?
You want two of the same?
2 of...
Yes, I show you 2 different.
Oh. I think I did like the dark one.
Maybe she don't have the size.
Check.
Yeah, that's one of them.
Oh, so this is one. It's short. This one. So you have any more like this one?
You don't need this.
Oh, a different color. Oh, you don't have 2 same. Only the small one. So we probably have to go get 2 different colors. That's a small one there. Oh. This one is? How much is it for one of these? 18? Alright. Yeah. But wait, before you go, I need one of those little mats that can go to the doorway where you can wipe your foot on. Yes. Something, yeah. And dark. Because the lighter color is easier for dirty. I didn't hear. I'm late. So he touched. Yeah. Everything is good? Wow. It's been a long time. Oh my goodness. I'm happy to see you though. They're awesome. Yes. The Likkle? She don't have no bigger one than that? That's the perfect mat. It's just the size.
No, she's lying.
Where did we go? I was trying to remember where we got some of those. You think we may have to take one of them on there because those are the ones they have. Look at that one. Let me see that one.
This one?
In the plastic that she's holding now.
It's the same color like we have for one short.
And it really light. It's a shift.
You want to see if you could get one rubber one?
Do you have rubber mats? That is the bathroom one. So,
950.
let me feel the texture of this one. Oh, this is not bad in turn. This is not bad. This is the thickness is good. But this spoil up.
It's the same thing.
Look discolored. So we could take this one. Take this
Small
one?
though, but you can take it.
Yeah. What we did ask her for again? The brooms? Alright, so we're going to take this one. It look a bit small, but we're not finding any upper sizes, and it's really thick, so it should help. And then these, we can't find the same colors, but we're going to take these two.
Let's see if I do the smaller one, you'll find color.
Two are the same color. Let me look at it again.
It's good enough.
I was just looking at. I think we should do one to the side and one over the other side. And then. Okay. So we take these. And the broom, the lady left. I think I'm just gonna take the broom myself.
Anyone that type there?
You didn't remember the broom? Where's the broom?
Hold on.
I just saw it when I was down there. Which part? No, the broom. And I look up, I saw it, but I don't see it. Oh, in here? Where are the sticks?
Look right there at the
I don't see any stick for the broom.
see the green bag right there beside the cushion.
Green, but oh, this broom is good. That's not the type. That's not the broom I had in mind. You want us to get the broom somewhere else?
Yeah, this is soft. You must see Unel that in a 2 day mash.
Yeah.
Ano ko? Mami na drink.
Don't have to have bubbles. Sorry.
Yeah, yeah.
That's Unel.
Yeah.
Wow. So yes, you are going now.
Yeah, go and see me.
You go and see me?
Yeah, man.
Oh.
Annette!
Oh, Annette, they here today?
Yeah, you see a bush here, I'm going now too.
Oh, okay. You eat melon?
Yes, man.
Oh, see, I brought you a piece.
Favorite something that...
Hold on, let me put on this and take it out for you.
Yeah. Favorite something that...
Okay.
Thanks,
Woo!
thanks.
You're welcome. So you see, we couldn't come back yesterday
Yeah,
because of the rain.
Yeah.
Yes. And we never get the broom until this morning.
Oh, yeah.
So now you have one better broom.
All right.
You can sweep out.
Yeah, mommy, thank you very much.
You're welcome, as you know. So you put back your mat them, Miss Annette, how you do? I'm good. Morning.
Yes, I do with it.
Oh, at last, because we came yesterday and we're asking for you.
Yeah, you know the feel as usual.
Yes. So we have the broom here, so no. And we get your one welcome mat to just put at front, so that one that you are saving, Philly. The one that you are saving, you can actually throw that out.
Yeah, man.
And then now these are bigger.
Yes. can take them right away.
Yeah, but see a broom here. You can feel the type of broom. That's it.
Oh, yes, man. We give
Yes,
thanks. We give thanks. We give thanks.
Yeah. So you did finish sweep out already yesterday?
Yeah.
Oh.
Wipe him out.
Oh, yeah. And you put back your settee?
Yeah.
Oh.
So when I forgot to spread the mat now, I forgot to take it up again. Then after me take it up now. Spread it now.
Don't go in, doggy. Don't go in.
Don't come in here, puppy. Come.
Oh, so we'll have to help you to put down the bigger ones.
Yeah.
Okay, wait first. You have to go move the settee again.
Yeah, man. Take him up. All right. Tap down in the living.
All right. So you can put up the settee and then we can actually just...
Alright, sir. You waiting, man?
Oh, you want to lift it?
Wow, it's heavy.
Heavy, man.
Okay.
You waiting, man?
Alright, we'll put the water boat outside.
Yeah, man.
And all of them something, yeah? Your stick?
Yeah.
Box are heavy.
Oh, yeah, move up.
Wait, you know, man, sir.
Yeah.
No, wheel.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, you drive wheel. What else have we?
Okay.
We'll put the hole behind you. Oh, God. Give thanks and praise.
Okay, Mas, we just sweep some parts that you never got yesterday.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, God, me thank you very much.
You're welcome, Mas. Don't worry yourself about anything. It's not a problem for us.
Yeah.
Always a pleasure. Yeah.
Go down,
Get the mat off.
Crusade last night, me walk way down the road before me get drive.
Yeah.
Me walk, I don't know, me not tell you, say no.
So, Mas,
me walk, usually past Bruce Yard, go around there, that deep corner.
Oh, and you got a ride?
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. Yeah. Yeah. Let me take up the new one.
Can I get one? One face.
Oh.
I sweep off here, wipe off all the veranda, but through, say everybody walk, they know.
Yes. So it mess up back. Needed a dustpan.
Yeah.
No, you needed a dustpan.
When I sweep out, you have to sweep here for a veranda, for the wood near like dirt.
Yeah. So how you get the dust out?
I cute way me use and get you out.
Oh.
Me take one piece of cloth now and take your
Oh, and take it up.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's up on the ground.
That's not good, man.
Yeah, but we know why you have to take up his
Oh.
Sometimes we use and put them on your drop down.
Okay. So the mats you had before, Mas Unel, you had them in front of the bed here, right here, so?
Yes.
Or just here, so?
Yeah.
Oh, so it's 2 pieces, so the 2 pieces can stretch right out at the front.
Yeah. Oh God, me give thanks and praise.
Alright. So yesterday, Mas Unel, I say you can't wash like him. So today
rain come down sudden and wet up at the clothes them.
Oh my God, so all of them wet up back?
Yeah, man. So
oh no.
So monitor it today now.
They never dry it properly when you go around there? Oh.
Yeah, some of them couldn't take up still, but I not wait for them, but the rain just come down sudden.
Okay.
Yeah, get curtain, you know, them know, they put them down, you know. But to the glass, they admit hang up one blanket at the window, there, so to the glass, so mash out.
You feel it, Monsieur? Feel the mat?
Yes, oh God, man, a nice something, man. Yes, man. It's my brethren, respect you very much, yeah, man.
No problem, Monsieur.
Who can't talk to me, I know.
I just in front, I bed here, so
Yeah, man, you have to spread out the whole life front, that's how we do.
Okay. So you can
I
put
have
the
one
other
little
one
piece
right.
now, me put down my bottom my bed foot to grow only, but it no matter if
Okay.
I mean, I put back none of the old one with the foot
Yeah.
down them in
So
there.
we got your brown one and a dark purple one. You can hardly tell that it's purple though. It look closer to brown
Yeah.
because we couldn't get the same colors.
Oh, yes.
They didn't have the same colors in the sizes. Wow.
No matter, so I'm glad.
Yes. All right, so Unel, get him mat, and it's looking much better, of course.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, that's good.
Yes, man.
The one for the front is just gonna go right here where we are. So.
Put it there. Yeah, put it on this.
No, he's gonna put it right here.
No, inside and put it in.
Oh, you keep the mat inside, Marciona?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
I put it outside now, I dog them out here up here.
Oh. Okay.
If anything now, piece of the thick piece where you know, we can put it on the outside here so no.
Oh, yeah.
You wipe before.
So it look good, Marciona.
Yes.
You know, go walk on it and see how it feel under your feet. Whoa.
Yes, it's soft and nice.
Yes, man.
Could just lie down there and sleep. Yes.
Okay, so you like it?
Oh, you meet Lord Jesus.
Yeah, man. That's much better.
Yeah.
So you only have two pieces, and they're softer. So if you want to wash them, you can wash them, and they're easier to handle.
So that me I do with them.
Yes. All right.
Keep them
So
nice.
yeah.
Oh God, man.
Help Unel put by the settee in the box. You got it. Unel, Lord have mercy. Unel, take it down already.
Did work very well.
Yeah, hold on. We could just take out the back.
You have to lift it because if you pull it, it will move the carpet.
Yeah. Open my carpet.
All right, sir.
So you not even didn't need so much around at the corner neither, you know?
Or you could pull it forward and
Could have come more to the drum mass, you know?
Yes.
Because I never remember I said the settee I go there.
All right, sir.
Don't. You can just ease it up and lift it.
This too big for in here though.
Eh?
You want something smaller like one chair.
As soon as me room round this, sort out, man.
Okay.
You understand? All right.
That drum here.
Can't draw down.
Water in that drum?
Yeah, man, full of water, man. Yeah, man.
Just pull it down. Just pull it down to the drum, and once it's there, it's
for the setting,
okay.
I go behind here.
Because it's just one, and lift the bed foot and just rest it underneath.
So maybe the drum no space on the feet.
That's alright. That look fine.
Yeah, man. Yes.
If you are going to move it, you see?
Yeah.
You dip on it.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, nice.
But when I did that one, I always ease up the bed foot and put one in under it.
Alright,
okay.
Let me take up your mask here.
Careful.
Wait, you know?
It's heavy. I don't know how you manage to lift it up all the time, as you know. You have to be careful.
First time, I'm not strong again, man. First time when me lift up all fertilizer, me lift up 2 bag of 100 pound bag of fertilizer one time. And a 120 in a one bag.
Oh, Lord. You leave your slippers, mas, you know.
And we carry 2 bag one.
Sit right eye to find it.
Yeah. One. 2 bag one time.
2 bag of 120 pound fertilizer? So you carry 240 pounds. Oh my.
Nah, take me a chance there.
Yeah. You're strong, man.
And when me earlier carry black, man, me make 2 triple black, me carry 10. And one blacker supposed to be about 30 pounds.
Yeah. Wow. All right. So I'm going to just sweep off your veranda for you here.
Yeah.
Oh, speaker box.
The speaker box, must you never carry it back now?
Yeah, man.
Hold on first. Can't leave. Yeah. Okay, so you want this piece of carpet to put at the front here, so on the veranda?
Yeah, the thick.
Oh, let me sweep it off.
Yes, man. Give God thanks and praise.
Good. So you have a piece at the front now.
Yeah. Foot can't wipe on it. You get on my room, so oh God, I go sweet.
Yeah, dream about your room at the back when you finish.
Yeah, man.
Oh, yes, put back my Unel stick. Which part do you keep the stick? Behind the
Behind
door?
the door, yeah.
Oh, and these two.
Yes, when me I go out, when me not with this I walk down the road, like it's a bamboo there me walk with, but when me I go out now, me have me stick.
Okay,
Yeah.
so you know, use the stick all the time.
I told
You
you
don't want to mash it up.
the rubber way underneath the bottom we easily wear out.
Or so you don't want use it on a regular fit wear out.
Yeah.
All right, go back up a little bit on the wall, Masu, now.
Yeah.
Good. So these pieces here, yes, so me can throw them out.
Yeah.
You sure?
Yes, one brother they may tell me say you can't get them people find donkey, make donkey pad dancing.
Oh, these mats?
Yeah.
Also, what you want to save them for him?
Yes, just throw them over the side over.
Okay.
The step back over this. God, you give thanks, man. You give thanks and praise. Give thanks and praise, man.
All right, so the mats are right at the side.
Yeah. Oh, God, give thanks and praise, man.
You know. Are you that now?
Yeah, thank you very much.
You are most welcome. Let me see if on your side it wants to sweep. Oh. All right. Okay, so I'm gonna just rest these behind the door here.
Yeah. I'd get, and if maybe before me being called to mine last night, I get me and carry the keyboard, but at a
Oh, no worry yourself, because we don't want to put you through that stress. We go have to bring it up and bring it back.
It's stressful to me, man. I rode the cars.
Yes. Next time.
Yeah.
Oh, this will fall through, so. Okay, so put the broom behind there too?
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. So you have to go try and see if you can go around a little bit earlier for the clothes so they know what's up.
Yeah, that's me. That's why I say me not go anywhere to do that. Because me the rain fall over there, so no me.
So we're going to put in back the box now, you hear?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, man.
Yes, yes. So what are your plans for today? What you plan to do?
As we say, I stay and take up the clothes them later when they dry. So, directly.
Oh, so you did leave yesterday?
Yesterday, so yesterday when God me leave and go down the road and come back.
Oh, and that's why the clothes them wet up?
Yeah, but apart from, me never stay down there long. But before me go down, me go check pan them, but some of the pants waist them never dry good.
Okay.
So me just go down the road and when me come back and rain meet me a road.
So you wet up?
Me never directly wet up, me stop at shelter.
Oh, and the sheet them probably dry.
The sheet them dry, man.
So you did take them up?
No.
You left everything?
Everything wet up out there.
So you have to just wait today now and get them. Well, because those jackets are thick, so you know they're harder to dry. Yes, Mas Unel. So we're happy that we actually get the time to come back.
Yes.
I was worried yesterday because I was saying I hope he didn't throw out the mats because the plan was to come back, but because of the rain.
Me throw the other one, but as me put
just a piece.
Yes, I do.
Yes.
But when me rain fall still me still in a consideration not going to be able to make it back,
We were trying because my mind was on the fact that I told her to throw them out yesterday, so I was saying maybe you did.
Somebody have to understand circumstances just the same for even when we don't want it, then you have to understand say well the rain fall.
Yes.
And it can be hampered to you if you get you back to me now. So me understand, me not just live so.
Yes.
Me understand situation.
Yes, no, Mas Unel. So Mas Unel, we were happy that we were able to come, so I guess that's it for today until, we always communicate and so on the phone. And we see you sometimes, so.
Alright. Come and try us and we see me.
Yes. Alright, no problem. Alright, so viewers and subscribers, thank you so much for watching and thanks for always making it a little everything Jamaican. See you next time. Blessings, one love.
Yes.